welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, my name is Ritimechi Matime and this channel is dedicated to mainly hair, occasional vlogs and makeup here and there. So if that's your thing, please do join the family and hit the subscribe button and help us get to 200 subscribers. And to my returning subscribers, old and new, thank you so much for tuning in again. In today's video, we are going to have a tutorial on how to achieve this cute little bun DIY style. And yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get right into it.
You're gonna need some braiding hair, aka hair piece. I have this darling pack, and you're going to section it into two sections. One pack section into two sections, one longer one and one shorter one. And then I'm going to section off the longer one and create a base column like this. And then I'm going to take the shorter ones and create rows across the longer one like this. And I started off with just 6 rows, but because I thought it would be manageable that way. And then here I am taking it over on the, if it's over on the right hand side, then it will go under on the left hand side. So that's what I'm doing with the shorter pieces, how I'm doing it across the longer piece. And then I'm going to take a longer hair piece and I'm going to create this pattern of under over the shorter sections that I have put across the longer section. So like there, the next one was over the other one, the next one is under, and when I get to the top I follow the same pattern of over and under, over under until I get to the bottom. And here I just decided to balance the other side with a diary there, and I'm going to twist on the other side because it will be more manageable and it won't move around as I put in the columns with the long sections. And here I am just making sure that the pattern is more defined, so I'm bringing the columns closer to each other so they're not spread out just so, like I said, to make sure that the pattern is more defined and it actually shows. And when you're done, you should have something like this. This is the pattern and this is the length of those longer sections, and basically you can go off until whatever size. And so now here I'm prepping my hair. I've washed it for about 4 days now and it air dried everything, and now I'm just making sure that I'm detangling the parts. And if you notice, I am holding the hair and combing it out like that so I don't have a lot of breakage. And I'm going to use this cable moisturizer to just moisturize my hair, and I usually just apply on my ends of the hair. And then I took a stocking and I cut it into 2 thin pieces, and I take the first piece like this and I'm going to create a puff using this stocking. The technique I'm using here, I am using my thumb to push up the stocking, and I use my index finger to pull the stocking, because once you push it up it becomes longer and longer, and so that's just the technique that I'm using over here. And when the puff is the size I am satisfied with, I tied it at the back like that. And then here, because I have transitioning hair, so my hair, it's not really natural brow down, no, so I'm transitioning from relaxed to natural, and I'm going to take the hair like that and do a twist like this, and take a pin and pin it down like this. Next up, I'm going to take my styling gel and I'm going to apply it on the flat hair, not the puff, just to create a sleek, clean look. Then I'm going to take my second string of stocking and I'm going to do the same thing I did with the first one essentially, and the purpose of this is to even sleek down the hair smoother and tighter. And we're going to again use the same technique of using our thumb to push the stocking up and our index finger to pull the stocking. And the white things you see over there is the styling gel, which with ease will melt down with the hair. I'm gonna show you guys later how I just get rid of that, so don't worry when all of that slimy styling gel shows off like that. Get rid of those residues, you just use your finger like this, and just like that it disappears into your hair and the white part won't show as white essentially. And then next up we are going to take our pony that we've created like that, and when I get to the back I just tie it and take the one side and wrap it around like this, and take a pin and secure it with the pin. More than one pin, I think I used 3 pins on each side like this, just to make sure it's secure and doesn't untie. And then I did the same on this side as well, wrapped it around and tied it. And then with these long ones, what I did here is I made a soft twist like this, and I wrapped it around the bun like this. Again, when you get to the back, get you a hairpin and just secure it like that. And then I did the same with this right side of the hair. Do a soft twist, wrap it around the bun, maintaining the twist to create a clean look. And also on this side, take a hairpin and secure the ends of the hairpiece like this. And this is how it looks at the back. This is essentially how it looks all around. And yeah, I'm just fixing a hairpin. Oh no, I am just finishing the look with some decorative designs over there. I think I had this from a previous style as well, and yeah. And then to finish off the look, I'm going to take the Revlon Flex and just clean the edges like this. So this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. I absolutely loved it. I went to dinner with it and I got compliments. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you, and see you guys in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.